Hello, Matthews Gatos here. In this video, I'm going to cover bottoms-up factoring. So as with every method that we do, you always check for your GCF first. So once we've done that and taken care of it, we're ready to go. Now, I find it a lot easier to factor when there's no number in front of x squared. So bottoms up takes advantage of that. What it does is it takes my a term and I move it to the back by multiplying it by c. So I have this new quadratic, x squared plus bx plus this new number a times c. And that's a lot easier to factor. So I'm just going to factor it like I normally would with product sum, but I have to remember, since I made the last term a times bigger, I counteract that by making its factors a times smaller. Now sometimes we'll be left with a fraction, sometimes with an integer. Any fractions I have to reduce them, put them in lowest terms, and then bottoms up to any fraction, and I'm done. So let's look at this example here. So if I want to factor this number, I want to make it a little easier for myself. I don't want that 4 to be there. So I'm going to move it to the end by multiplying. So the new quadratic that I'm going to factor is g squared plus 5g minus 24. And that's much more manageable to deal with. Now, I know from the previous examples we've done, two numbers that multiply to negative 24 and add to positive 5 are positive 8 and negative 3. So I can factor this as g plus 8 multiplied by g minus 3. But remember, we made that last term of 6 4 times bigger. So I need to make its factors 4 times smaller. So then I'm going to have g plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 3 over 4 is in lowest terms, so I take my fraction and I do bottoms up, and it becomes 4g minus 3. And now I have factored my trinomial. So I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one.